Hello guys, in this video we have been asked to draw the sectional orthographic projection of this particular block given right on the screen here. So from the front view we are asked to draw the full section of this particular block, that is along AA, and it is cut along the length. So this is a longitudinal sectioning that we are going to be doing right here. So first of all, I'm going to pick this place, which is 80 millimeter. So I'm going to be picking 80 millimeter right here. This is 80 millimeter. Then picking my set square, I'm going to draw a straight vertical line upward. Like this, making use of thin lines, please, making use of thin lines. Now we have been given the height to be what? To be 35 millimeter. Note, we are sectioning this particular block, so what? We are cutting this particular place off. We are going to cut this particular place off. Since we have been given the section along this particular line here, the arrow of the section is here, so we are cutting this place off. So we have been given the height of this particular block to be what? To be 35 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 35 millimeter right on my paper like this. Now at that point of 35 millimeter, I'm going to draw a straight line in this manner, making use of thin lines, please. Ensure you are making use of thin lines. Okay, now we have been given this particular place to be of what? To be of 25 millimeter depth, then an height of 10, 15 and 10. So I'm going to pick 10 millimeter here. This is 10. I'm going to pick 15 upwards like this. Then the last part is what? Is 10 millimeter. So using here, I'm going to draw like this inside. Then I'm going to extend it to the upper parts and project line inside like this. Now we have been given those lines to be of what? Of depth of 25 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 25 millimeter like this. Then picking my set square, I'm going to join these 2 points together. Okay, so this is this for that. Now cutting this part, this circle here, we are also going to be representing this circle that is given here, but now we are not going to be representing it with short dashes, because we are not drawing just the normal orthographic projection, we are drawing the sectional orthographic projection. So we have been given the center of this particular circle to be 25 millimeter from this edge here, 25 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 25 millimeter from the edge here, 25 millimeter like this. So at that point where 25 millimeter is stopping, I'm going to be representing the center with what? With thin long chain line. Thin long chain line. Ensure you are making use of thin long chain line. That is, it is going to be like this. See the way I am drawing it. Please take note of that. In this manner, like this. Now we have been given the diameter of the circle to be 15 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 7.5 to my right and 7.5 to my left. That's 7.5 millimeter like this, then 7.5 millimeter like this. Now we are going to be drawing the circle here with straight lines. It's not going to be dotted lines this time around. So this is straight line like this and straight line like this. Let me thicken it out first before we come to the arching. Okay, so I've thickened out the block already, the parts that we are going to be needing. Now we are going to be hashing this particular cut, the cut section of the block. We are going to be hashing those parts because we are sectioning. So we are going to be making use of 45 degree for our arching. Adibin it was a 45 degree block, we can make use of 30-60 degree, but because it is like this in 90 degree form, we are going to be making use of 45 degree for our hashing. So I'm going to draw like this first, like this. In order to make your hashing to be correct, you ought to make the distance between those hashing, if not equal, but almost equal. So in order to do that, I'm going to be making use of my ruler. So I'm going to be placing, see this particular line, this is what I'm using, this place here. So this is how I'm going to do it. then I'm going to place at this point also, like this. So you can also do that also if you are making use of a ruler like this. See the way I put it at this particular point here, like this, like this, and like this. Now note, we are not hashing this particular place because the cutting is not actually cutting this place. It's passing through it, but it did not cut the circle. So we are going to be leaving this part alone. We are going to add the remaining parts of this block. Okay, so this is actually our front view of this is the sectional front view of this particular block, like this. So now what we are going to be doing is we are going to be drawing the plan of this particular block. Now we are going to project lines from the front view downwards, that is vertically downwards, making use of thin lines. Please, we are going to project downward, then place it at this point also downward, like this, exactly the way I'm doing it. Then at this point also you project downward, making use of thin line. Now the plan is where we can actually view from the top. So we have been given the length of the plan to be 50 millimeter. So I'm going to pick 50 millimeter from this place here, 50 millimeter, like this. Then making use of thin line also, I'm going to draw in this manner. Okay, so now I'm going to pick the center of the plan first, the center, which is 25 millimeter. So 25 millimeter, like this, is what I'm going to pick. Now making use of thin long chain lines, please, thin long chain lines, please. Ensure that is what you are making use of to draw the center of this plan. Then you are not going to also be forgetting the arrow, this particular arrow. Please ensure you take it into consideration. Arrow AA, this arrow, it is necessary for your plan, please, at the both side, like this. So that is that for that. So we move straight to this particular place. As we can see, we cannot actually see this place from the plan, but we are going to be representing it with what? With hidden lines right on the plan. So I'm going to use short dashes here, that is this place projected from here. I'm going to be representing it with short dashes, that is a line to represent hidden details. Okay, so now we have been given a circle here, which we are going to be drawing on the plan also, and the diameter of the circle is 15 millimeters. I'm going to take my compass, place it at this particular point, then that's the center here, then extend it to any of these lengths, either here or here, then draw my circle in this manner, like this. Okay, so this is the circle here. Now let's thicken out the needed parts also for this drawing of the plan. Okay, so this is the needed part. Then we thicken out the circle also. Now we are going to move straight to the side view of this particular block. We are asked to section the side view using half sectioning. That is, it is going to be cut like a letter L. We are going to cut it like this, half section. And while sectioning with half section, you are going to be able to see the exterior and the interior view of the object you are actually sectioning. So first of all, let's draw our 45-degree from this center here. You pick your 45-degree set square like this, then you project lines from the plan straight to the, ensure it is very thin lines. Then at this point also you project to the place. Then the center line also, you are going to project the top line here, you project also to this particular point, like this. Okay, so from this place of line 45, where they are meeting the 45-degree line, we are going to project upward in this manner, like this. Okay, so the second part also, ensure you are making use of thin lines to project this particular blocks. Okay, so now what we are going to be doing next, we are going to project line from the front view to the plan of this particular and to the side view of this particular block. So I'm going to do like this first. Ensure you are making use of thin lines first, then this second, then we'll project this as the last part. Okay, so now in order not for you to be confused about the points, let me first of all thicken out the borders of the side view. Let me thicken out the borders of the side view in order not for you to be confused of the points. Let me thicken it out. Okay, so this is the borders of the side view. Now, as I said earlier on, we are asked to section the side view also, but this time around we are using half sectioning. We are asked to cut it along this particular place like this. We are cutting along this particular place. This is the side view of this block. So now I'm going to draw this particular sides first. This edge is here first. So to draw those places, I'm going to draw like this, in this manner, to the center line, to the, ensure you are drawing it to the center line, because we are cutting it like this along this line, then like this. This is how we are cutting it. So you draw this line to the center line, then I'm going to represent the center line also like this. Like this, in this manner. Okay, so now we are going to be representing this place also with a straight line like this, in this manner. Okay, so this straight line we have drawn here, is the second edge of this circle. You know, this other edge of the circle has been cut off, so this straight line is the second edge of the circle, and this particular place is the last edge. So now, for the fact that we have sectioned it, we are going to be hashing it also. So we are going to hash this part like this, making use of 45° also. Please ensure you are making use of 45° for the hashing of this block also. If you found value in this video, please ensure to subscribe, share this video with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Peace.